We've all seen the videos.
What are you doing?
He just bit me!
No, he didn't.
Someone has a public meltdown.
Excuse me, ma'am!
Someone says something offensive.
You annoyed me! You annoyed everybody in here.
Someone gets caught doing something they absolutely should not be doing.
Yo, don't touch my rod. Don't f***ing touch my rod.
And within hours, the internet has figured out their name, their address, and somehow their employer. So what are your rights if you go viral for being a Karen, or for being at a protest, or for getting caught on camera doing something illegal? Let's break it down. First, if you're caught on video in public and someone posts it, that's usually legal. In most public places, there is no expectation of privacy. If you're in a grocery store, on a sidewalk, or at a rally, someone can record you. Now, let's talk about your job. In most states, employment is at will. That means your employer can fire you for almost any reason or no reason, as long as it is not illegal. So yes, your employer can potentially fire you if a viral video damages the company's reputation, violates company policy, or shows misconduct, even if the incident happened off the clock. If you're caught doing something illegal, that's even more straightforward. An arrest or criminal charge can absolutely put your job at risk, especially if your role requires trust, licensing, or public interaction. But here's where it gets more nuanced. Your employer cannot fire you for discriminatory reasons. If the real reason you're being terminated is your race, religion, gender, disability, national origin, or another protected characteristic, that's illegal, even if the company points to the viral video as a cover. If the video shows you participating in a protest, things can get complicated. Peaceful political activity is protected in some states, especially if it happens off-duty. Some states have laws protecting lawful off-duty conduct, others do not. It really depends on where you work. Also, under the federal labor law, employees have the right to engage in protected concerted activity. If the video shows you speaking out about workplace conditions, wages, or safety issues alongside coworkers, that may be legally protected. Now let's talk about what you generally do not have a right to. You usually do not have a right to keep your job if your conduct clearly violates company policy, harms customers, or damages the employer's business. Companies are allowed to protect their brand. And going viral does not create a special legal shield. The internet may debate your behavior, but employment law focuses on whether the employer's action was legal, not whether the internet was harsh. So what should you take away from this? First, assume that anything you do in public could end up online. Phones are everywhere. Second, know your company's code of conduct. Many policies cover off-duty behavior that affects the workplace. And third, if you are fired after going viral and you suspect discrimination or retaliation, talk to an employment law attorney. The facts matter, the timing matters, and your state's laws matter. The internet moves fast, but your rights still exist. If you have questions about how a viral moment could affect your job, it's worth getting real legal advice about your specific situation.